Hi friends, I'm Dr. Rahul Bhargava. As discussed, now we have the second part of this series where we are going to talk about signs and symptoms of blood cancers. Yes, there are many signs and symptoms of blood cancer. Or there might not be any signs or symptoms of blood cancer because like in CLL, you just go to the doctor with something else and you see a WBC count raise. But for generalized people, we need to understand the symptoms are weakness, which is very common, and there can be multiple reasons for weakness. There's a fatigue, continuous fatigue, which is happening. There's a weight loss, which is happening. There's an unknown fever for going on for 2 to 3 weeks, which is a very characteristic sign of lymphoma. Many people can present you with cough, and cough could be long lasting. So dear all, this can be a very, very common symptoms for all of us. We are only searching for 1% people who will have these symptoms because of blood cancer. Rest 99% people will be because of something else. So do not get panic is the most important thing we need to understand. In multiple myeloma, you can have a back pain, which can be long lasting, and many of us tends to miss because we think it's a slip disc. Many people, because of the unknown renal failure, we think it's something else because of diabetes or hypertension. No, it could be multiple myeloma. So that is why it is very, very important to know. Sometimes fever, as we have to elaborate fever. So some types of fever can be because of lymphoma, which is called pyrexia of unknown origin, which is lasting for more than 2 to 3 weeks. So blood cancer symptoms are misnomer. They have an overlap, and you need a CID like a hematologist to know whether these symptoms are because of blood cancer or not. If you diagnose them early by contacting us on these numbers, it will help us in beating blood cancer earliest, at the lesser cost, and at a greater success. In the next episode, we are going to talk about the treatment. We now have understood what is blood cancer. Now we have understood what are signs and symptoms, and if you have got any sign or symptoms or anybody suffering from that, stay tuned to listen to our third episode on treatment of individual diseases, because that is what is bringing the best from the science to the people. We care about you.